last year. The last one is what's called measures of central tendency. Remember that? Say what?
Those are pretty good.
Sometimes in math they throw them out there. Measures of central tendency. Whenever you hear people talk about that in the math world, usually they talk about 4 different things. And they are, write these down, the mean, the median, the mode, just starting to sound familiar, and the range. Those are the 4 things they will ask you when they talk about the measurements of central tendency. And in order to do that, if you're going to find these things, you have to have a list of numbers. Okay, in other words, they will give you something like this. They will say, well, I want to make sure I get this right here. Gotta find the right thing here. I want to give you a list of numbers that I can find here. How about this? Gosh, I wish I knew. I could do that. Let's do this. Do we have time? Sure. I'm gonna pull this up because this is a practical application here. Say yay.
Yay.
Let's talk about the class sizes at Cross Lutheran School. Yeah, use this small. So we'll write this down. So here we go. Look at that. That might be. Somebody write these down for me here. Well, you can all write these down. Let's just start at first grade. First grade has 21. So write 21 down for first grade. Just put the number 21 down. Second grade has 16 and 16. Put 32 down.
16.
Just put 32 down.
16 and 32.
No, just 32. Third grade has 19. Fourth grade has 21. Fifth grade has 29. Sixth grade has actually 21, even though it says 22 there. Seventh grade, that'd be you guys, has 12. And eighth grade has 21. So, repeat those numbers to me. What do we have, Liz, first grade?
21.
21?
32.
19, 21, 29, 21, 12, 21.
Okay. So, when you're given this group of numbers, the first thing you need to do is arrange them from least to greatest. Least to greatest. So you take all these numbers and you go from small to big, which means, lucky you guys, you start first. We have 112, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 21s.
We have 19.
Oh, we have a 19. Who's the 19? 19. 4 21s. We have a 29 and a 32.
2.
Yep.
2.
Now, once you have that list of numbers, here is the measurements of central tendency. The mean, believe it or not, is the same thing as, do you remember?
Average.
It's the same as average. So if we're doing these numbers, the average of those numbers, well, let's see, we can do this. Put this together, you get 40. Put this together, we get 63. Put those together, we get what, 45. And put that other 29 in there. End up with 17, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 177. Did I do that right? Yep. And how many classes are, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 177 divided by 8 is 2, 16, 22 point something, 0.125. Let's just round it to 22. So our class average across is 22. The median is, anybody know? Do you see a median? Median is the middle number. But they have to be arranged from smallest to greater. Well, how many numbers do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is the middle of 8? Well, the middle falls right here between the 4th and 5th number. If there's an even number of numbers there, you don't have an exact number in the middle. You've got one on either side of it. And if that's the case, you have to add them together and divide by 2. But that's nice with two 21s because when you add two 21s together and divide by 2, you're going to get 21. So our median is 21. Mode is the number that appears the most, which again is pretty easy there because we have 4 of them. We have 4 21s. And the range is the difference between small and big. Which means you do the subtracting there. The smallest class we have is 12. The biggest is 32. We have a range of 20 students. Because of your class there. Remember that from last year? The measure of central tendency?
What's the definition of range again?
The difference between, you subtract the big from the small. Subtract big from small. Subtract the biggest from the smallest. Oh, and then unfortunately we do have to do one more. Now take out one more blank piece of paper.